You know that feeling when the winter wind bites up north, but down here the sun's just right. It's got that groove, that meal, that hogar. North wind's howling, snow is falling cold and mean, but I'm sipping on a cold one, toes in the sand so clean. Got my shades on, watching the waves roll in. That Gulf breeze whispers, amigo, let the fun begin. No clock's ticking, no boss man on the phone. This piece of heaven, I'm never leaving it alone. Oh, Mexico, homie, you're so sweet and fine. Ay, México lindo, tú eres el sol que brilla. You take my worries, turn them into wine. La vida es un sueño suave como la plaza to the playa, feel that rhythm in my soul. Mexico, homie, you make me feel whole. Mexico, homie, you make me feel whole. Tacos al pastor and a cold cerveza supreme, married to the moment, living out a winter dream. The band starts playing down at the local cantina. We're dancing in the dust till the moon lights up the arena. It's a laid-back rhythm, a slow and easy ride with a little bit of blues and a whole lot of southern pride. Oh, Mexico, homie, you're so sweet and fine. Ay, México lindo, tú eres el sol que brilla. You take my worries, turn them into wine. La vida es un sueño suave como el from the plaza to the playa, feel that rhythm in my soul. Mexico, homie, you make me feel whole. Mexico, homie, you make me feel whole. And when the sun goes down on the old Malecon, the Unity Fest fire, we're all singing the same song. Gringo, local, stranger, friend, the music doesn't stop, it just begins again. It's more than just a place, it's the feeling in the air, it's the honey of the spirit, it's the love we all So, pour me another, let the mariachi play. I'm home. Yeah, Mexico, homie, smooth and easy, just like honey. La vida es un sueño, ain't no place I'd rather be.